This is the Conservative MP and Brexiteer Mark Francois being interviewed by the BBC News Channel.
Mr Enders' intervention is a classic example of the sort of Teutonic arrogance which is one of the reasons why many people voted to leave the European Union. If he thinks because he runs a big company, he can bully British MPs how to vote, he's going to be sorely mistaken. My father, Reginald Francois, was a D-Day veteran. He never submitted to bullying by any German, neither will his son. So if Mr Enders is watching, that's what he can do with his letter.
Dramatic stuff. Of course, he's talking about the chief of Airbus,